can see, if you see my last video, the last blender I got wasn't as big as this, and it's from Tesco. I got this on a great deal from Sainsburys. So here we go, I'm going, keeping the trend with these quick, very quick intros, because I know you're liking them. So like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. Let's go. Good for getting it, eh? Here we go. Packaging, they love their packaging. It's a beast! Wow, they even set it up. The other one I had to set up myself. That's pretty mint. Nice. Okay, so go into a little bit of detail here. So you've got your plug protector, which obviously I'll be taking off very soon. Wow, that's a nice, neat lid. Very professionally done. I like that. Now it did say it's got a lock and unlock. So here is the lock, and there's the unlock. I'll just demonstrate opening it. Ah, that's pretty easy. So whenever you've done whatever you're doing, pour it away, pour it away, pour it in your glass, and away you go. That's even more simpler than my other one. I will leave a picture here to show you the other one. It's a little bit complicated. It was a lot thinner. This is a lot bigger. This is 1.5 litres. My other one is only 600. I want to say millilitres. 1.5 litres, yeah. 600 millilitres. So obviously you can see the difference between the two. So let's just demonstrate putting it back on. Put it on. Oops. So you want to put it on the unlock bit, which is here, and twist it round until it clicks. Very simple, guys. I'm loving this. Nice and simple, and it was on a deal. I'll even show you the settings. So here you've got 0, where you first start, 1, which is 1 speed, and speed 2. Very, very nice. I'm actually so impressed. Even got your millilitres on this side. I don't know if you can see, it's on both sides. And that's showing the max you can fill it up to. So, and you're thinking, it's alright doing an unboxing stuff. I want to buy this. How the hell do I know how good it is? That is where you're wrong. The last video, I didn't show a demonstration. This time I will. So here's the unboxing, and I will show you a couple of clips within the next video, which I'll also leave a link down in the description with what I've done this evening, which is, drum roll please, a ultimate chocolatey, the ultimate most chocolatey milkshake. Yeah. So that'll be a link in the description and a couple clips coming up right now. So thanks very much for watching. Go ahead, smash a like. Let me know down in the comments if you get anything similar. How do you think this product is? Is this the one for you? And of course, subscribe if you're new. Very, very quick unboxing and all the clips. So that's back in the freezer. And now, here's the ultimate. Putting in the milk. Would you believe I forgot one ingredient? The Jaffa cake! I'm going to put 4 in. To our catcher. Don't want to overload it, not like it doesn't look like it's already overloaded already. I mean, it needs some praying going on, guys. So, I really don't know how this is going to go down. All I know is, I really need you to like and subscribe. And comment down below how you think this is going to go. And by looking at it, it looks like it's really powerful. So, here we go. The switch is on. 3, 2, 1.
Want to know what happens next, guys? All you need to do is click in the link in the description and see the ultimate, most chocolatey milkshake. Go ahead, smash a like, let me know down in the comments, and of course subscribe if you're new.